CityLab is a unique research center that's based in design studies. CityLab actually started when Hurricane Katrina hit New Orleans, and we could see that architects and urban designers didn't have a ready response. When the Altadena fire and Palisades fires hit, I knew it was our job to step up. It's hard to get your building going back again.
People want to stay. Many of them don't know how.
You really have to understand everything about the community before you begin. And the only way to do that is to really partner with community leadership, as well as the architects, a number of whom had their own homes burn.
This is really about arming folks with more information to make informed decisions about their pathway home.
So we realized we needed to bring them to Altadena. Some number of models of prefab. That's prefabricated housing, modular housing, panelized housing, all the kind of housing that gets built in a factory or in an off-site space and then gets delivered to your site. Many of them you can't tell from a custom-built home. Really, it's so exciting to see a prefab unit get installed on a site, especially the kind that get craned in, because we think of houses as going from the ground up, right? And that they start on their sites. But when you see one driving down the road and then coming from the air, it's a spectacle.
This is really truly affordable housing. And it allowed our community to rebound very, very quickly and affordably.
Rebuilding in a way that's resilient will be critical. Really fire-resilient materials, fire-resilient construction techniques that people could see, actually, you could return quickly into something that was quite beautiful. It's not going to be the same. No one thinks it will be. But I think the people of Altadena convince you that it will be great once again.